This is IMUSA Electric Single Burner, my favorite little cooker. So I usually use this to cook noodles, especially the like this, just the instant noodle. And what I like about it is very small and very easy to use and cook pretty fast. Especially you don't want to go into the kitchen and you don't want to interrupt other people's. You just can make the thing in your room. It's very convenient. There's no fans it's blowing, so when you're cooking it is quiet. Just the boiling sound, nothing else. And now it's almost start to boil, so it's time to put the eggs in. Alright, it's almost start to boil, so I just turn down the heat to medium, because if you go all the way high, the water will come out. I like the noodle to be cooked longer, for 6 or 7 minutes. That tastes the best. Alright, let's wait. Alright, the eggs are hard inside now, and I think the noodle is ready. Turn off the heat. Alright, it's the time to enjoy my noodle. So that's why I love my little cooker. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.